Day 13 of my wild biome diet. I'm back at home. It's easier to manage wild diet at home. Every day I'm trying to eat new species so that it's more interesting not eating the same stuff every day. Today I'm going to eat water caltrops, trapanatas. It's a water nut which grows in ponds and lakes all over Eurasia. It is native to Poland. It's quite rare and protected in Poland, but I grow it in my own ponds for many years, and it's cultivated by pond owners. And it's a normal article of food in many countries like China, Laos, Myanmar. But it used to also be eaten in Poland. It was eaten in Serbia and Montenegro and Italy. A bit like chestnuts. It's got a white, nutritious inside, but actually much better than chestnut. It's more rich in protein, so the protein content is similar to wheat. In many ways, it's actually similar to wheat, so very nutritious. And people used to make flour out of it. Of course, I boiled the nuts. They were boiled for 20 minutes with a bit of salt. These nuts are tastier in autumn because now in spring, when they lay in the mud in the lake, or winter, they are they have this kind of taste like muddy taste, like carp from muddy lakes. But they are still very nutritious and nice and really interesting other parts of the flavor. And this plant grows in it's an annual, so it now it's germinating in the water, and then it's a floating plant, and it produces nuts in Poland at the end of August, early September. The nut is spiny because it helps to attach to the plant is carried by floodwaters, and then it can be attached to in new places to something. And it's quite hard, so you have to cut it with a knife. I took a knife here, and of course I weigh everything because it's an experiment. It's a scientific experiment, our diet. So everything I eat, I weigh. We're gonna see how much I collected. This is what the nut looks inside. You can see the starchy kernel. Oof, and I finished. After about 50 minutes of peeling, I got 70 grams of really lovely food. Really lovely. I mean, it was quite a lot of effort, but it's a new taste in this month.